Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will explain how to avoid mistakes in Norwegian when using ja, ja, nei, 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 and you. In the dynamic and expressive Norwegian language, navigating the correct usage of the affirmative and negatives nei, nei, and you can be a stepping stone towards fluency. These words, simple as they may seem, hold the key to expressing agreement or disagreement in various contexts. Let's unlock the nuances of utilizing these terms correctly with a range of examples and avoid common pitfalls that learners often encounter. Decoding the basics. Ja, ja, ja. Ja is a straightforward equivalent of yes in English. It is used to affirm or agree with a positive statement or question. For example, question. Liker du kaffe? Liker du kaffe? Liker du kaffe? Do you like coffee? Answer. Ja, jeg liker kaffe. Ja, jeg liker kaffe. Ja, jeg liker kaffe. Yes, I like coffee. Statement. Det er en fin dag. Det er en fin dag. Det er en fin dag. It is a nice day. Response. Ja, det er det. Ja, det er det. Ja, det er det. Yes, it is. Nei translates to no in English. It is employed to negate or disagree with a statement or question. For example, question. Kan du danse? Kan du danse? Kan du danse? Can you dance? Answer. Nei, jeg kan ikke danse. Nei, jeg kan ikke danse. Nei, jeg kan ikke danse. No, I can't dance. Statement. Dette er en enkel oppgave. Dette er en enkel oppgave. Dette er en enkel oppgave. This is an easy task. Response. Nei, det er det ikke. Nei, det er det ikke. Nei, det er det ikke. No, it isn't. You. The term you doesn't have a direct English counterpart. It is used to affirmatively respond to negative statements or questions, essentially saying that the assumption in the question or statement was incorrect. For example, question. Har du ikke en bror? Har du ikke en bror? Har du ikke en bror? Don't you have a brother? Answer. Jo, jeg har en bror. Jo, jeg har en bror. Jo, jeg har en bror. Yes, I do have a brother. Statement. Du kan ikke snakke norsk. Du kan ikke snakke norsk. Du kan ikke snakke norsk. You can't speak Norwegian. Response. Jo, jeg kan snakke norsk. Jo, jeg kan snakke norsk. Jo, jeg kan snakke norsk. Yes, I can speak Norwegian. Navigating common mistakes, understanding the specific context for using ja, nei, and you can be a complex task. Let's look at ways to avoid the most common errors. When faced with negative questions or statements, using you expresses that the information and assumption in the question or statement were incorrect. So when someone asks, han ikke fra Norge? Han ikke fra Norge? Han ikke fra Norge? Is he not from Norway? The correct answer would be then, jo, han er fra Norge. Jo, han er fra Norge. Jo, han er fra Norge. Yes, he is from Norway. If the person talked about is actually from Norway. Positive responses to positive questions. In situations where a positive question is posed, ja is used to agree, and nei to disagree. For example, Skal vi gå på kino? Skal vi gå på kino? Skal vi gå på kino? Shall we go to the cinema? Answer. Ja, la oss gjøre det. Ja, la oss gjøre det. Ja, la oss gjøre det. Yes, let's do that. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the Norwegian language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with the Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you learn from our YouTube videos, podcasts, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chats, transcripts, early access to new content, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,